Okay, so the only pen I could find was some crayons. So I drew out the back of this jacket and where I want to place these feathers. So here's this jacket that I've got. Nice plain black jacket, no sleeves. And here's a feather. So I'm just kind of going to place the feathers around in kind of an angel wing form. Alright, as you can see, I've done a lot of feathers. So I'm going to just take them off the frame, and then I'm going to cut about a 1/4 inch around it, fold the extra fabric over it, and then start sewing on the jacket. Okay, so you want to cut around the feathers about a 1/4 inch away from the beads, and then you want to use some black string and kind of tuck the extra fabric underneath the feather and blind stitch it on to the jacket. I had to pin the feathers to the jacket so they wouldn't move while I was blind stitching them. My first feather that I sewed on to the jacket went on pretty smoothly. I saw that there was a couple openings and I just added a couple more beads to fill in the feather, but it's so pretty! Alright, so I've sewn all the big feathers on, and then I noticed that there was a lot of open spaces that I didn't quite like. So I had to go back and make some more feathers, but I made them more curvy, and then I just hand sewed these little itty bitty ones to make some depth. But it's all completed, and it's beautiful. I'm going to be wearing this to a New Year's party this year, and I'm super excited to kind of show it off. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you want a more in-depth of how I made these feathers, check out this video below. And if you want other crafty videos, check out my whole channel. I've got all sorts of stuff. Anyways, thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more.